You require how much? 5096, but your output is only 5000. How much has come down? 96, which is called abnormal loss. What is the formula for abnormal loss? Value of abnormal loss gain is normal cost divided with normal output into abnormal loss or gains. For being converted into final product, example, it may be textile industry, it may be oil refinery. First, you put the input, what are the material raw material, input in units, value, material expenditure, direct labor expenditure. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Advanced Cost and Management Account for 5th semester BCom. The chapter unit goes Process Costing 1. In the last session, we discussed about the contract account. This time, we are going to discuss about the process account. I am going to explain what is process account is. It is used to assess. Process means, take for example, if you put the raw material in the, assume that there are three processes, process A, process B, process C. Assume that. If you want to get the finished product here, it is used to ascertain the cost of product at each stage of manufacturing. It is used into industry where the material has to pass through 2 or 3 processes for being converted into final product. Example, it may be textile industry, it may be oil refinery, it may be cement manufacturing or sugar industry. Assume that you put the raw material here. You will get the finished product here. The finished product of this here will come to here raw material. The finished product of B become the raw material C, where we get the finished product. I will explain. You put the raw material in the process A, you will get the finished product here. Finished product. The finished product becomes the raw material here. This becomes the here finished product. It's become the raw material. Then we get the finished product. So it has gone through 3 processes, process A, process B, process A. You put the raw material in process A and also make the expenditure. The end of this now here, they will get the finished product. The finished product of process A become the raw material for process B. The finished product of process B become the raw material for process C, and the finished product you are going to get. We can find out the cost of each process. Process A, process C, and process B. Process A, process B, process C. We'll move on to problem now. Here, this is your format. You put here process 1 account, A account. First, you put the input, what are the material raw material, input in units, value, material expenditure, direct labor expenditure, direct expenses, factory expenses, other expenses. Regarding this, I will explain. By normal loss, we can put here also, normal loss. By abnormal loss, by transfer to next process. Whatever the output comes, that will go to next transfer. So I will explain this abnormal loss and abnormal gain. What is mean abnormal loss? First, this is a working note. Calculation of abnormal loss, abnormal gain. First, your input here minus normal loss units. Deduct minus, this is normal loss, minus your standard output. The difference will come. First is your input minus normal. First is your input. Here, units. Input in units minus normal loss. Whatever the difference come here is called normal output. What's the working note? Put input here. Minus normal loss is a regular loss. Whatever comes normal output minus actual output. Whatever the difference come, abnormal loss or abnormal gain. I will explain. This is in the form of input units. Put input here minus normal loss. It is normal output minus actual output. Assume that you put the input about 10,000 units. Your normal loss is 1,000. Actual output you require is 9,000 now. But your actual output is only 8,700. So difference 300 is called abnormal loss. By chance, it is more, it is called abnormal gain. It is less, abnormal loss. What's your input example? 10,000 minus normal loss 1,000. What's your normal output? 9,000. What's your actual output? 8,700. Difference 300 is called abnormal loss units. This is called abnormal loss units. We'll go to, this goes in favor of units. We'll go to in favor of expenditure. Total expenses. Total expense of the process here minus scrap realization value. Whatever the difference comes now, it is called normal cost. Total expenses minus scrap realized, whatever the scrap comes, it can be sold. Whatever difference called normal cost. Calculation value of abnormal loss, abnormal gain. Formula, normal cost divided by normal output into abnormal loss or gain units. What's the formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss or gain units. So first we will go with the units, next go with the expenses, lastly we can, all three should be calculated. So shall I explain it once again? Calculation loss or gain. First input in units minus normal loss. This is normal output minus actual output. Difference is abnormal loss or abnormal gain unit. This goes in favor of the units. Then in favor of the expenditure. Total expense of the process minus scrap value realized. This is called normal cost. Value of abnormal loss, abnormal gain formula. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss or gain units. Same type you have to do the problem for all the three. We'll go to problem now. A product passes through three distinct processes from the following detail: prepare, process, costing. So first we'll go do for X, then we'll go for Y, then we'll go for Z. See that material will come on the debit side, wages will come on the debit side, work expenses will come on the debit side, other expenses will come on the side. Your output is 5,600. So the wastage, how many units are there now? Here output in units, this is 56,000, 5,000, 5,000, about 6,000 units have been put at the rate of, that is 6,000 units have been put and issued at rupees 100 rupees per unit. Okay, we'll go to the problem one by one. Here, process X account. What is the first one? Two materials input. How many inputs you have put? 6,000 units. Here, particular units value. How many units put? 6,000. What's the per unit value? 100. So that is 6,000 into 100. 6,000 into 100. It is called 6 lakh per unit, rupees 100. 6 lakh. There. What is the next one? Material cost 1,60,000. 2. Material cost 1,60,000 in value. Then what is next one? Wages. 2 wages 8,80,000 in value. These are all expenditure. Then work expenses. Work expenses. What's your work expenses? 2,40,000. 2 lakh. This is your work expenses. What is next one? Other expenses. Other expenses, if we see that 40,000. These are all the expenditure. So what's your normal loss wastage? 5%. At what value it will raise? 8. Come back here. By normal loss. How many percentage? 5%. 5% on 6,000. 5% on 6,000 units is equal to 300 units. Assume that your input is 6,000 units. Then what's your output here? 5,600 units. Your output 5,600 units. What's your input? 6,000 units. What's your output? 5,000. There is a difference of 400 units. What's your normal loss? 5%, 300. Out of 6,000, 300 gone. What should be left over? 5,700. What is your output? 5,600. We'll go to working note now. Working note. We can go with particular units. Input 6,000. Your input is 6,000 minus normal loss 300 units. Balance 5,700. This is normal output in units. Regular output to taken out. You put 6,000. How much? Normal loss which cannot be avoided is 300. What's the difference? Is 5,700 should be taken output. But what's your actual output as per the problem? 5,600. You require how many output? 5,700 minus actual output. $5,600. Difference is 100. Abnormal loss. I will explain. You put the input 6,000 units. Normal loss which cannot be avoided is 300. What's the difference? Is 5,700 we require to take out 5,700. But what's your expenditure? Actual output is how much? 5,600. How much has come down? 100, which is called abnormal loss. More than this, abnormal gain. Less than this, abnormal loss. This is working note number 1. 2. Particulars amount. You have to add the figure. It is 6 lakh. 6 lakh. Plus 1,60,000 plus 8,80,000 plus 2,40,000 plus 40,000. 19,20,000. 0. 19,20,000. Your total. Say total expenditure. So 300. Then per unit how much is there? 8 rupees. Selling price, wastage. How many units last? 3 rupees into 8. 2,400 realized. How much realized? 2,400. What's your cost? Total cost or total expenses 19,20,000 of process A. This goes total expense of X minus scrap realized or scrap sold. How much realized? 300 units is equal to 2,400. 2,400. Deduct 0, 0. This is 6. This is 7. This 19,17,600. This is called normal cost. This is called normal cost. And working note number 3. Value of abnormal loss. Value of abnormal loss. Formula: normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your normal cost? 19,17,600 divided by, what's your normal output? 5,000. This is actual output. What's your normal output? 5,700 into, what is your abnormal loss units? 100. Simplify this. Abnormal loss. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by 100. Normal cost 19,17,600 19,17,600 divided by 5,700 into 100. 33,642.10. 33,642 by normal loss by abnormal loss how many units are there? Working note: abnormal 100 units, but realization cost is more. Here abnormal loss, it will come 33,642. 33,642. What's your total? 19,20,000. Your output is 6,000. Here, same 6,000 units. Value 19,20,000 values. Difference is 5,600 units by abnormal loss. So difference is so 18 lakh, I will work out 18 lakh, 19 lakh, 20,000 minus 2,400 minus 33,642. 18 lakh, 62,358. I'll repeat. 19 lakh, 20,000, 19 lakh 20,000 minus 2,400 minus 33,642, 18 lakh 83,958. Transfer to Y process. So what's your output now? 5,600. The value is 18 lakh 83,958. That will be transferred to next process. So we'll go to next process now. This is process X, Y. First transfer entry. How many units? 5,600 to transfer from X 5,600 units. What's the value? 5,600. 18 lakh 83,958. 18 lakh 83,958. This goes in favor of last process. regarding this process expenditure. Here, this over. Here, come back. Two materials, value column, 96,000. The material is over. What is next one? Wages. This is 9,60,000. Wages. 9,60,000. Next, wages over. This over. What is next one? Work expenses. 3,20,000. This is from the last process, continuing process. Material cost is 96,000. Wages 9,60,000. Work expenses 3,20,000. 96,000, 9,60,000, 3,20,000. Other expenses 48,000. Value column 48,000. Other expenses, this is 48,000. Output is 5,000. Normal loss 10% at the rate of rupees 20. I will explain. By normal loss, 10% of input. How much input is there? 560. 10% of this is 560. Your input is here. Your input is 5,600 units. Come back here. Your output. Look after. What's your output here? Your output is 5,200 units. 5,200 units. So this is transferred here. Value, material cost, wages cost, work expense, other expense. Normal output 560 per unit has how much? Here, see that 20 rupees into 20. 0, 0, 2, 6 are 12. 11,200 realization. We'll go to working note now. Working note 1. Particulars units. Total input 5,600 units. As per the last session, your input is 5,600 minus normal loss 10%, 560. Deduct 0, 6, 0, 5,040. Normal output. This is units. How much input you did? 5,600 minus normal loss 10% is 560. 5,040 is your output. Minus actual output. What's your actual output now? 5,200. 5,200. You require how much? Only 5,040, but your is 5,200. How much more? 5,200. This is 5,200 minus 540. 5040. 160. More. This is abnormal gain. Nine. Working note number 2. Particulars expenses. We'll add the process Y. Now, this goes to process Y. 18,83,958 plus 96,000 plus 9,60,000 plus 3,20,000 plus 48,000. 3 lakh, 33 lakh, 7,958. 33 lakh, 7,958. Check once again. This is 958. 3 plus 6, 9. 17, 1 plus 8, 9, 18, 24, 26, 30, 3 plus 8, 11, 11, 20, 23, 2 plus 8. So 36, 8. Here, you are up by 2 abnormal, sorry, this is 36, okay. 2 abnormal gain. Here, you got the abnormal gain here. This is last one. How much abnormal gain? 1 can. Then go with the expenses. What's your total expenses? 33 lakhs, 7,958. Total expenses. Your total expenses, 33 lakhs, 7,958. 33 lakh, 7,958 minus scrap sold. How many units sold? This is 560 at 20. It comes to 11,200. 11,200. Realize your expenditure will come down to extent of 11,200. 8, 5, 7, 6, 9, 2. 32 lakh 96,758 is expenditure. Working note number 3. Value of abnormal gain. Last process you got abnormal loss. Now abnormal gain formula. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal gain units. Abnormal gain units. What's the formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal gain units. What's your normal cost now? Scrap sold. 32 lakh 96 758 divided by normal output 5040 into 160. Simplify this. This is 32 lakh 96,758 divided by 5040 into 160. This is 1,04,658. Check up this. This answer you got is 104,658 or 659 we can take. Check this once again. 32, 96, 758 divided by 5040 into 160 is equal to 104,658.898. So 69. This is abnormal gain. 104,659. 104,659. Abnormal gain. How many units? 160 units. This is 160 units value. 104,659. 104,659. Add the figure. This is 5,660. 5,760. Value this. Already you got 33 lakh, not 7, not 33, not 7, 958 plus 104, 659. 9. 34 lakh, 12,617. Here you put 5,760 units, value 34 lakh 12,617. So you deduct 5,760 here, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5,200, difference 34 lakh 12,617 minus 11,200, 11,200 is equal to 34 lakh 1,417. 34 lakh 1,417 transferred to Z process, last process. If you understand now, you transfer here material cost, wages cost, work expense cost, other expense cost. I have shown in the working note. Here, input is 5,600, your normal loss is 560, normal output is 5,040, actual output is 5,020. More is there. How much more? This is 160. Your expenses is 33 lakh 7,958. What is scrap realized? 11,200. Value of abnormal gain. Normal cost divided by normal output abnormal gain units. 32 lakh 96,758. 5,040 into 160 will come 1,04,659. So same has been put here. So transfer to next process. This is process Z. Input. What's your input now? 5,200. 5,200 units. 5,200. What's your output now? Come back to problem. What's your output now? 5,000 units. Output 5,000 units. Now, transfer entry to process Y account. What's the value? 5,200, 34 lakh 1,417. 5,200 units. This is the units transfer from that process. Value 34 lakh 1,417. 34 lakh 1,000. 34 lakh 1,417. 417. This is transferred from the last process. Go with this expenditure of this process. Then to material 64,000. To material 64,000. This is value. Then come back. What's next one? To material 64,000. To wages 8 lakh. To wages 8 lakh. This is an expenditure. Then what is next one? Wages over. What is work expenses? 1,60,000. Work expenses. $1,60,000. What is next one? Work expenses over. Other expenses 16,000. Other expenses 16,000. Then by normal loss, come back here. How many units you have introduced? So how much percentage? 2%. Sold at rupees 24. By normal loss, 2% on input, 2% of 5,200, 5,200 into 2 divided by 100, 104 units. Per unit is sold, this into rupees 24. 104 into 24. 104 into 24. 2496. Amount realized. We'll go to working note now. Particular units. Input. What's your input now? 5,200 minus normal loss. How many units are there? Normal loss 104. Deduct. This is 605096 minus normal output. Normal output minus actual output. Normal 5,200. How much normal loss? 104. What's you require? 5,000 units. But your output is 5,000 units. You require how much? 5,096. But your output is only 5,000. How much has come down? 96, which is called abnormal loss in units. How many units loss? 96. Working note number 2. Particulars amount. Total expenses. You have to process Z now. 34 lakh 1,417 plus 64,000 plus 8 lakh plus 1,60,000 plus 16,000. It comes to 44 lakh 41,417. 44 lakh 41,417. This is, add this, 417. 1 plus 4, 5, 6, 11. 1 plus 6, 7, 13, 14. 1 plus 4, 5, 13, 14. 44 lakh 41,417. 44 lakh 41,417. Then by abnormal loss, how many units are there? By here abnormal loss 96 units. You have to find out the value. Working total expenses 44 lakh 41,417. 44 lakh 41,417 minus scrap sold is equal to 2496. Deduct. This is 1, this is 2, this is 9, this is 8, 3, 4, 4. So 40. So 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 9, 11, 1 plus 9, 10 plus 14, 9, 11, 4. So 44 lakh 38,921. Normal cost. Value of abnormal loss. Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your formula? Normal cost divided by normal output multiplied by abnormal loss units. What's your normal cost? 44 lakh 38 921. What's your normal output? 5096 into 196. Simplify this. 44 lakh 38,921. 44 38 921 divided by 5096 into 96. 83,629. 83,629. This is the value for 96. 83,629. Abnormal loss value 83,629. 83,629. Bring out the difference. What's your output here? 5,200. 5,200. Out of 96, this is 100, 120 gone means, this is 104 plus 96 means 200 gone means 500. This is nothing but 5,000 units. Value for that 44, 41, 44, 41, 417 minus 2496 minus 83,629, 43 lakh 55,292. This is the by finished product. Major question for 15 marks. We have to go through 3 processes. For all the process, what's you need now? Total input minus normal loss minus actual put. The difference may be gain. If the actual output is more, then abnormal gain. If it is less, abnormal loss. Total expenses minus scrap sold. This is normal cost. What is the formula of abnormal loss? Value of abnormal loss gain is normal cost divided by normal output into abnormal loss or gainers. So all the transfer process is there. But here expenditure may be more. For 5,000, it's 43 lakh 55,292. Too costly is there, but inevitable according to problem you have solved. So easy there. 115 marks question will come in exam. Definite question will come. We'll move on in the next session. Another good problem of 3 process, but everything is same. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with another process problem with 3 process.